Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video, and in today's video we're going to get into this hair that I'm currently rocking. So today we're featuring Curlyme hair. Big shout out to Curlyme for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today I have a 26-inch Kinky Curly HD lace frontal wig. This is a 13x4 frontal, and I have these curly natural baby hairs. So this is a natural hairline. This has to be the best natural hairline or curly hairline wig that I have received. I've gotten quite a few of these recently, and okay, let me not say the best one I've received. Maybe I'm gonna just say it's the best one that I've received, because look at these results. So this is what the hair looks like when it came. It was super defined. This is a very pretty kinky curly texture. It is very full. Yeah, this is a super full wig, okay? A whole lot of hair. So aside from that, this is what it looked like when I received it. Curlyme hair has some of the best packaging out. Like, their packaging is top tier. The box, the branding, the color, the gifts. Like, you get lashes, and not those like throwaway lashes. Like, they give you some bomb lashes that you could actually wear. You get a bunch of other stuff that you could use to install your wig. So I love their packaging. Like, when you get it, you just feel like a princess. Like, it's just so beautiful. But now let's get into this hair. I'm going to install this with all cap method. Like, I've been loving this method lately with these caps, these sheer caps. Like, it is bomb. It's going to give you a flawless install. So I decided to do that. So for styling this hair, I wanted to keep it simple. I know that I wanted a center part, but I wanted the curls to be very defined. So I go in with my favorite curly hair products. I always use these products for curly hair. They're super affordable. You can find them at like Target for the low. You can get them at Walmart. There's like quite a few places you can get these, but yeah, I absolutely love these products. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to work these products into the hair and define the curls. Then we will fluff out the baby hairs. I didn't flat iron the baby hairs. Sometimes with these wigs prior, I would straighten the baby hairs into the wig, but this one I left it as is. And I absolutely love it this way. I did cut them down because they were a little long, but the end result is just bomb. So definitely check the links in the description box to get into this unit. You can purchase this unit. This is 180 density. You can get this in a water wave, kinky curly, deep wave, kinky straight. And you can also get this from 18 all the way up to 30 inches. And I do have this in the 26. Absolutely love this wig. I thought this was a super pretty look. So shout out to Curlyme for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to y'all for watching. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Getting bigger, racks getting bigger, cash getting larger. He thought he was loving me good, I told him go harder. She thought she was killing this shit, I told her go harder. Just look at this alkaline wrist, cause I got that water. Ass getting thicker, cash getting thicker. That's that dick, that's that real shit. That's that jelly, baby. Champagne and cherry, baby. That's that dick, that's that ball drop. That's that keep going, that's that never stop. That's that thick, that's that na-na, that hoochie la-la. Yeah, that's that Fiji agua, candy girl pinata. Hit it in the car and take you back to the casa. That I got you rock now. That thick all over the yacht now. That's that freak Nick. That's that 1996. That's that Miami bass. 12 in the trunk, 808. That's that Castro. Eat that shit like Mastros. She say she on the diet, girl. You better not lose that ass off. That's that thick. That's that real shit. That's that jelly nigga. That's that really nigga. That's that thick. That's that ball drop. That's that keep going. That's that never stop. Baby, that's that thick. That's that thick. Baby, that's that thick. That's that thick. Look at this shit. Ooh, that's that strawberry. That's that grape and cherry. Ooh, that's that that ginseng. Cut that bitch like culinary. That's the bounce. Spend my money, make it count. If it's lost, then it get found. Just keep dropping that shit down. That's that summer, that's them hummers. That's that girl, give me your number. That's that joy, that's that solid that I just got out of college. That's that I don't do this usually. I don't know what you do to me. That I don't do this usually. Oh, you can't invite me, back it up like limousine. You gotta make the fold out to fit a magazine, right? Girl, look at your body, right? Take this into, don't let go. Tell me how bad you been wanting it, and hurry up for the moment ends. I like what I hear, might be sleeping in. Screaming like I'm sick, chocolate, I'm sick, sit on that, bounce it, bounce it. Ass getting thicker, cash getting thicker, cash getting larger. He thought he was loving me good, I told him go harder. That's that bitch, she was killing me shit, I told her go harder. That's that thick, this alkaline grease, cause I got that water. Baby, that's that ass getting thicker. That's that cash getting, look at this shit.